Housing sales are up in the Triangle. Overall, sales are up 15% compared to last year. Local real estate analyst Al Schneid is here with us this morning to talk about home sales across the Triangle, and you're here with some good news this morning.
Oh, it's a wonderful feeling to be in this chair with this kind of news.
Doesn't it feel good to finally have some positive news to report?
Yeah,
so what's going on with the housing market?
The market has been just astoundingly strong all year. We're through 5 months, we're up 15%. All the sales, our segments up to about 800,000 did really well, or selling double digits over last year. Above 800, not so much. It was kind of weak up there, but we're on a strong run.
What price point is doing the best?
Probably up to about 400 is the strongest, up at 25-28% growth over last year. But there are spots like 400 to 500 is pretty good as well, and so it's a little streaky, but they're all positive up to 800.
Yeah, I was going to say up to 800. Over 800, it's kind of easy to understand why that segment is not doing so well. Are there a lot of homes on the market in that price point?
There are probably 300 in the area, maybe 350. And you know, part of the problem is financing, and part of it is just the economy, and the executives don't seem to be moving in and buying homes and that sort of thing. So they got a lot of inventory. They got, in many cases, 2 or 3 years supply. So
wow,
they got a little work to do up there, but it'll come with the economy.
Right. And now, are there certain communities that are doing better than others in the Triangle?
Yeah, actually, I look at it by county, the so-called Big Seven, Wake and Durham are by far the best. They're doing. Durham is almost a balanced market at this point, which is the first time we've seen that since probably '08. And Wake is not far behind, and so in general those 2 counties are good. The surrounding counties, Franklin, Granville, Johnston, Orange, Chatham County, are all year or more supply, so there's still more inventory there, and thusly more probably more opportunity to buy in those counties. So
right now the numbers, how would they compare to years past? Are we doing as well as we were doing before 2008?
We are not. It looks like my forecast would suggest we're going to come in about $5 billion this year in sales, 22,000 transactions. That's about almost exactly equal to 2009. So the market worsened as we went through 2009, so frankly that's encouraging still.
And this is a busy buying time, so you're expecting the summer to also show some good numbers?
I think so. June is still up, probably going to end up 15 or 20% up over last June, so the March goes on, and I suspect we're going to slow in the summer like we always do, starting in probably mid-July, something like that. But I don't see it really weakening. I don't know how well. If the economy doesn't strengthen, I'm not quite sure what impact that's going to have on us with employment and whatnot, but news is great.
All right, very good.
Great.
Good talking with you, Al. Thank you so much. Michelle?
Thanks, Kelsey.